So there are efforts to try and conserve the shoebill. Here, there is immediate closure of the shoebill bird nesting channel. The community led by the chairperson has declared the territory occupied by the shoebill nest to be a buffer zone. The main reason for this is to allow shoebills to proceed with their nesting in that channel, which is beneficial to the community and tourism industry. So they are trying to conserve the shoebill, and this is one of the communications that are in the office. Yeah. So please come to support the shoebill bird at the Mabamba Wetland Ecotourism site. Interesting and lovely. Worth the day. Yeah. That's going to be our guide. This is what is happening. Wetland, yeah. The wetland. This is a Ramsar site. This is a Ramsar site. Protective gear. Yeah, the last time I was here, it was a menace. I'll never forget. Oh.
So dressing up for the watching. Stay, please. Very ready for all these canoes.
But I'm the most scared person. I fear the boat.
Most scared, but warming up.
I fear the boat so much. So we are ready to go. We are going to hunt for the shoebill. Looking for the shoebill. So this is the easiest mode of transport. Go. There they go. So this is what is taking us. This is our Benz. There are many though. There are many you can see. Oh!
Where are you?
Many Benzes. Soko kwa
Kubalaza ekyo tekirina mutawaana. Look, you are going behind. Yes, back. Sit there. Sit there. Okay. Good. You are set?
Yeah, we are set to go.
Nze ngende ntuulewa. Gwe tuula wali ewa Maaka. Gwe naawe tuula wali emabega. Kale. Good. Gwogenda tuula. Ojja kubeera eno maaso. Kale. Kale.
We are set to go.